Okay, that's a bit extra. But anyways, July 11, 2021, and here in front of you can see two boxes. Now inside of one of them is a hard drive from LaCie, and then another thing is a lamp from Maythank. Now I was going to look at the name to tell you what Maythank stands for, which company it belongs to, but it looks like I did not prepare that in advance, so I guess I should actually just quickly look that up and see if I can tell you right off the bat what that originally stood for. And yeah, here we go. So get ready. Maythank is a trademark of Shenzhenshi Maishang Technology Company Limited, or I think it's Corporate Limited, but you get the idea. So let's cut into it. Or should I cut into the package first? Actually, which is the lamp? Which is the, honestly, I think the lamp is going to be in the box, and I think the hard drive is going to be in this. Yeah, because the hard drive I'd assume is pretty flat. But if this is the lamp, then I'd be like, yo, that's really weird. So I'm going to cut into this first. Who knows? Maybe I can actually use the lamp as extra light in this video. That's one of the driving reasons why I honestly bought it. Do I see a packing slip there, or no? No, I don't think so. I think I should be okay. And yes, I thought as much. It just made perfect sense that this would be the lamp. And here we are. 5 touches, function key, replaceable. You know what that means? Removable battery. Removable battery. Okay, I shouldn't say too close to the microphone because I'll probably clip the audio. But yes, that was one of the major reasons why I bought this, because there were some other options. But for me, it was that removable battery. Yes, I love saying that, because in today's day and age of the 2020s, where so many electronics have non-removable batteries, it makes you just want to punch them in the face and be like, you idiots! Stop making devices with non-removable batteries. How would you like if you just had a non-removable battery just slapped in front of your house and you could not move it and it just sat there and degraded and then it caught on fire? How would you like that, guys? Would you like that? No, you would not. Okay, drama's over. Anyways, so, what? This is supposed to come in 4 different colors? Okay. So if that's the case, then why does Amazon only offer you white? Because, yo, if I saw a green option, I would have opted for that. Who knows? Maybe you can get off... I don't even know which other websites you can buy it off, to tell the truth, because if there are other color options, there must be another way. But, like, I tried to look into seeing if there was a direct website you could get them from, but the only faces I could see is just Amazon. So it's probably one of those Amazon exclusive brands, and I honestly hate it when a brand is Amazon exclusive, because it just gives you fewer shopping options, and I don't really like that. It's not that I have a problem with shopping on Amazon, but sometimes you just want to buy things directly from the company. Like in the case of this lamp, what is this? Ceramic blade peeler? What? Lucky gift. Only a few packages have gift. You are the lucky one to receive our gift. Okay. Thanks? I'm not sure what to do with a ceramic blade, but alright. But yes, as I was saying, with this, it would be really nice to get additional spare parts, because I'm hearing that in particular, this charging port breaks. I've seen that in a lot of complaints that people had it break. And I think some people are kind of concerned if they could replace the LED once it burns out or not, but then others are saying that that shouldn't be an issue. The long-term reliability, I do not know, but from what I've read in the comments, it seems like it'd be a pretty good idea to just charge your batteries externally. And if you're wondering, well, how would I do that? Well, you would do that by buying one of those external battery chargers, like from Nightcore, X-Star. I think Gear Falcon also makes it, and there's another one I can't think of off the top of the head, but one that immediately comes to my mind is Nightcore. You can typically buy these in vape shops. Yes, I know of all places, but it's true. Like, when I was actually looking into it, you would be surprised to see how much batteries these vape shops actually stock. So even if you're not a vapor, which I'm obviously not, and I personally do not advocate vaping at all, nor any smoking for the matter, but hey, they do have what you need in regards to electronics, especially those 18,650 batteries. Yeah. Now this one comes with 2, but these ones, as you can tell from the looks of them, are those Naki cheap batteries, so you're going to want to swap them. In fact, when I was doing my research on this product, I initially had intentions to actually buy batteries for this thing in advance before it got here. I didn't get around to doing that because instead I just ended up sitting in my leather chair. Yes, I know, I'm very lazy. But let's see how easily these come out. Okay, it looks like these are a very tight fit, so you know what I'm going to have to do? You know what, maybe I'll just test it first before I actually try to remove the batteries, yeah. Maybe once I actually get my replacement batteries, maybe then I'll do that, but for now, let's just actually test this thing. Alright. Move this here. Oh wait, what's this? Okay. So here it is. And yeah, it does actually topple over pretty easily, so you have to be very careful how you tilt it. Did I just have one of my lights turn off? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, oh, would you look at that? Oh, that's wonderfully bright. Would you look at this? Oh, that is cool. Maybe I should even turn off the lights, actually. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to turn off the lights. I'll still keep my video lights on, but yeah, I think that should emphasize it a bit of just how cool that actually looks. Alright, turn back on the lights. And as for the different modes, I think this makes it dimmer if I do that. Yeah, you see it getting dimmer. And now let's make it get brighter. Why is this thing not getting brighter? What did I do? Oh no. Oh, there we go. Now it's getting brighter. What does this M button do? Okay, so if you switch it to M, it makes it more orange. Yeah, I'm not really showcasing these on camera. I think I should. Okay, actually, yeah, let's do this so you can see the control. Actually, this is a very awkward setup. But yeah, that's what M does. Now you're not going to be able to see anything like this unless they're being close like that. So if I press M again, then it just... Okay, now it's a mix of orange and white. Ugh, that's not so good looking. Oh, and then when you hit this moon, it does that. But okay, what if I don't want... Okay, let's just turn it off. Okay, turn back on again. Still that ugly orange and white. Before, I think it was just pure white. I don't know how to change it back to normal. I'm going to experiment off camera. See if we can fix that, because that's not very attractive at all. I don't want any orange in there. Okay, there we go. I got it. There we go. So now there's no more ugly orange and white. Alright, so I think that's enough for this lamp. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to kick up the brightness. Keep it on max. And I'm going to keep it to the side of this video so we can actually just have more light. Like, actually good light. So... yes. Maybe I might even get two more. Who knows? I want this thing. Alright, so I'm going to go over some interesting things on these papers. No, I'm so definitely kidding. Who cares about that? You can just pause and read it if you're even going to actually do that. Just throw it off to the side. And now let's take a look at that. Let's see how it's going. Actually, before I do that, like, what do you do with this? Like... oh, actually, it's kind of sharp. Never mind. It's made of plastic, though, so it's like... what did they expect us to do? Like, shave with it? Like, peel food? Because... I don't know. You know what? I guess I'll just keep it as a souvenir. Or as a trophy item, or... what do you call it? A knick-knack, yeah. Alright, now for this. For this, we're going to use the scissors. Now, I was kind of thinking about getting the orange one, the rugged one, but then I was like, do I really feel like spending $250 on a hard drive? No, I did not. So instead, I decided to get this. Now, when I got this, it was $469. There were some other shops selling it like $215, I think some even $230. So I'm like, I don't know. At first, I was kind of scared to buy from Amazon. I'm not going to lie, I'm being real with you. I did feel scared at first because I saw some people in the comments saying that, oh, mine had connection problems, or another person said, do not buy these from Amazon because mine was fake or refurbished and this and that. So that did honestly make me skeptical. But based on my personal experience of buying hard drives from Amazon, so far I have not had that problem. And if you don't believe me, just look in my merchandise playlist. You'll see plenty of other hard drives that I've purchased from Amazon before, and to this date, they are all fully functioning. So that's living proof right there. Now for this one, Adobe, this does not look like anything that was previously used. I mean, I cannot be 100% certain. I wonder if the lamp would be better off over here. I don't know. Then again, if the lamp's over here, it might kind of get in the way a bit. I don't know. Or is that okay? Actually, I think that's alright, yeah. Actually made the video look better now anyways. Wait, why is paper towel here? LOL. Actually, I know exactly why it's here. It's because of the package. It was soaked with hand sanitizer. No, not sanitizer. It was soaked with alcohol. So because of that, that's why that paper towel was there, in case you were wondering. Now your curiosity has been satisfied. So here we have these different languages here: French, Dutch, Italiano, Espanol, Netherlands, Portuguese, however you say Russian, Chinese, and Nihon. I know, very extra. I did not have to read that, but I did. Okay, this thing is not already open, so that's a good sign. So it looks like this one is brand spanking new, which it should be. This would be my first USB-C hard drive. Excited to test its speeds because I have this neck tech that can support some crazy high speed, so I would like to put it to good use. Actually, I just mentioned the neck tech, so I should show you it. I can't drop you any links to it because it looks like you can't buy them off Amazon anymore, but yeah, I was talking about this. You can even see it here. Hold on, let me see if I can get the neck tech brand to show. I can if I maybe hold it like this. No? Yeah, I can see it, but I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera. It's not focusing too well. You know what? Hold on, I think I know what I need to do. Yeah, drop things. Now, you know, why do I care so much about getting that so intricately on camera? Like, really? You just want to see the hard drive being handled. So let's deliver that. The hard drive. Well, this dog sure doesn't look happy. Yes, this is the one I was thinking of getting, but another time, though. Another time. Or maybe I should have just honestly got it first. I don't know. If this one misbehaves itself, I'll probably just go for that next. But let's just say that I love the way it looks. And yes, it feels amazing in the hands. So, what else do I need to show you? Made in Thailand. 5 terabytes. And I love the premium feel. Oh my goodness, this actually... I'm not even kidding, man. This actually feels so good that I have to rub it. I don't care if you think it's weird or whatever. It actually just feels that good and that premium. Now, don't stroke too hard, though, because this is a hard drive after all, and you don't want to damage it. Also, another thing, don't drop it, don't punch it, don't kick it, and don't submerge it. Now, you must be saying to yourself, why the hell would anybody do any of that? Because people do. That's why. Now, another question you might be asking is, what is this ruler doing in the video? And you know, I quite frankly do not know, so let's just take it out. So, here you have USB-C to USB-C. Will it support those crazy fast speeds? I don't know, but it does look very thick. Actually, as thick as my neck tech. Let me do a thickness comparison. And yeah, I'd say they're both about the same thickness. So who knows? Maybe they will actually just deliver the same speed. Or will the neck tech be faster? That, I do not know. It does say USB 3.1 Gen 2. So I guess if I wanted to be ultra sure, I'd have to bring out one of my neck techs in the original package and see what it boasted, so I can make a more accurate comparison. Alright, so where is it? Okay, here. So this thing, darn it. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, so it's here. So it's boasting that USB 3.1 Gen 2, whereas this is boasting, where are the specifications? Oh dear, that was awkward. USB 3.1 Gen 2 as well. Okay, yeah, it was out to the frame. So it looks like they're actually supposed to be the same then. Both 3.1, and they're both Gen 2. So I guess the only difference with the neck tech is basically it's longer. I kind of thought the neck tech was actually faster. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But with it being longer, it should be a bit more flexible. So if you're ever shifting your computer around the desk, then you should have that. Now you might be asking, why would you do that? Well, in my setup, I do have 2 computers side by side. So in order to use one, Well, actually, no, you know, in regards to your setup, you shouldn't have to be shifting any computers, really. But in case you ever want to, then you'd be pleased to know that you could do that. Now, let me put this back. Hold on a second. Did they give us two? Actually, no, they did not give us two. One is USB-C to USB-C, and one is USB-C to USB 3.0. It's got that blue one there. Will I use this one? I don't know. I guess it's a nice spare. Wait, I wonder if this can charge smartphones. I'm very curious. Too bad I don't have a power bank close by with USB-C to actually test that. I think I do actually have one, but it's in my traveling bag because that's supposed to be an out-the-road charger. But I should get another charging bank for indoors so I could actually do a test like that next time I buy a product like this. Well, I guess... Wait, is this a microphone? What is that hole? I'm curious now. But yeah, this doesn't look like anything fragile. I don't know why anybody would actually even say that. How would you actually get inside of this? Now you think about it, it's like, this looks like there's no way to get inside of it. So if I ever wanted to repair it, not that I should, but at least with the other ones, if push came to shove, you could... I forget the term that they use when you harvest the hard disk drive from inside of it. I don't know if it was called like shucking or shelling or something like that, but it was possible with some of these, but with a design like this, it kind of begs the question, how would you ever harvest something like this? It looks so unibody. Like, you can see some fine lines around here, but good luck getting into that. Yeah, this doesn't look like it was designed with easy repairability in mind, so yikes. It better damn well be reliable, because if it's not, then getting inside of this is going to be next to impossible unless you use a pry, or maybe pry around here. Even then, I don't even know if that would actually work. Who knows? You'd have to just catastrophically create a crack to get into it. Okay, probably not. But anyways, so that has been it for these two products. The Maythank, the surprise blade, although I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm probably honestly just going to throw it in a plastic tote and forget about it. And yeah, I do want to get another one of these. Looks really cool and handy. Now, some say that it's not super bright and I'd like for it to be brighter, but I think that's pretty bright. Like, when you think about it. You know what, hold on. Let me actually turn off all of these lights so we can get an accurate look of what this thing looks like just how bright it actually is. Okay, there. So now, you can see how bright it is. Point at the camera, away from the camera, turn on the brightness. That's it in its lowest setting. There's the lunar setting. The lunar setting off. Crank up the brightness again. Now, it's not actually touch capacitive. It kind of looks like it is, but you do have to actually press it moderately firmly to change the settings. And yes, I believe we'll just conclude it here in the dark. If you are interested in these products, I'll have links down to them below. For those of you in other countries, you know of the drill. Just copy the name of the product, place it in your locale, and happy shopping.